Today I have a video to show how you would trim a video and insert a frame hold segment and extend that frame. So when I have my playhead positioned where I want to cut the video, where I want it to end. So I'm just going to use my razor tool and I cut it there. And then I'm going to just remove this ending. I'm going to change the ending. I'm just going to have it be a still at this final frame here. So I'm going to select this clip and say I'm using control click to select the video, and then I'm going to insert a frame hold segment. First I'm going to lock this. Insert frame hold segment. So that's my new segment, my blurred ending. I'm going to put some graphics over it. What I'm going to do is then I just want to extend it to the end of this video, to the end of the other scenes. So I'm going to select Control on Windows, Option on Mac. I'm on a Mac. I'm going to zoom in. See, it inserted this segment one or so frames in, which I don't even need that clip because it's exactly the same. But that's what it does. It just inserts a piece. I'm gonna just remove this because it's the same ending, and then I'm gonna Option key on Mac. I'm just gonna drag this segment to the end. So I'm gonna zoom out again. And so you'll be able to see that this segment just extends here, that blurred piece. So that's my video for today, how you would insert a frame hold segment just to hold one frame of your video and then extend it. Hope this is helpful. Please give me a like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.